Fala galera, que de longe mais vídeo. Fala galera, que de longe mais vídeo pra vocês.
Where am I? What's going on? What is all this?
Are you okay?
I have no idea. Who are you?
Jesse, where are you? Say something, Jesse! We're over here! No way! You found Gabriel?
Who's Gabriel?
We need to get out of here now! This way!
Já são três, que coisa, hein?
And Gabriel?
Did you say Gabriel?
Look out! Those Endermen are running the wrong way! They'll be killed! Soren? I can't stand by and watch. I'd be condemning them to death. Stop staring and get a move on. Well, I can't just abandon them, not after a lifetime of study. Your head's gonna be abandoning your body if you don't turn around and run. Jesse! They're falling behind! Axel, you gotta move faster! She's too sick. This is the best we can do. They're not gonna be able to outrun it. Not on foot. We gotta find a way to move faster. Or we're all gonna be caught in the tractor beam.
Eles vão conseguir.
We just need to get them moving faster. Bingo!
Cavalos.
Everybody get on!
Mas já tem céu os cavalos.
Slow down, Horace!
Hey, what about us?
Come on, Jesse, we got this. We'll take the reins, and they can just hang on.
Eu pego a Petra.
I've got Petra! Then I'll take Gabriel. Hold on, this might be a bumpy ride.
Ah!
Come on, horses! Whatever you do, don't look back. Ah! I looked. Everyone follow me!
Ah, sai aqui, Creeper.
Jesse, look out!
Creeper de merda. Sai daqui, aranha. Sai daqui, aranha, montada no esqueleto também. Sou violento, cara.
It's gaining on us!
No offense, but you could use a little practice.
First time on a horse here.
Watch it! You trying to knock me off this thing, Jesse?
Sorry.
Como não essa parte?
Turn around to see if it's
Só foi
gaining. But
mestre,
it's
hein?
all I can do to hold on.
Isso também. Mestre.
There! We need to ride over that bridge. Oh no! Jesse, look out!
Simba.
Enderman! They're slowing it
Ué, eles somem?
Am I
Ou
seeing
estão
Endermen
para outro
after
lugar?
the Witherstorm?
Endermen move blocks. It's what they do.
Guys, come on!
Gotta build a new one, like right now.
Come on, faster!
We need more blocks.
I got some.
Yeehaw! Woo!
Actually, you're screaming in my ear.
Sorry.
We made it. We actually freaking made it.
Jesse, Gabriel was saying some pretty weird stuff back on that horse.
He might have wither sickness.
I don't know. You never acted the way he's been acting.
I'll go talk to him.
Hey, how are you feeling?
I'm afraid I don't feel much like myself at the moment.
Gabriel, it really is you.
Oh, I knew if anybody could outrun death, it would be you.
Who are you people?
It's me, Eligard. Come on.
Old friend, don't you recognize us? It's Soren. The Witherstorm did something to him.
You mean that thing we just rode on?
No, that was a horse. What a terrible turn of events.
You're the one who rescued me. Tell me, please, what is going on? I remember only blackness. And then, suddenly you were there.
You were caught in the Witherstorm, trapped.
For how long?
Long enough that it did this to you.
It felt like an eternity. It was dark and foul. I was sure I was a goner.
Well, you aren't. You made it back alive. Which is more than I can say for some of us.
Magnus. For a second there, I almost managed to forget.
You guys talking about Magnus?
Still can't believe he's gone.
How? How could this have happened? To lose not just a friend. Guys, it was my fault. I'm the one who took Magnus's armor.
But you couldn't have known what was going to happen. She's right. You can't blame yourself, Jesse. I'm surprised he lasted as long as he did.
Ah! Being emotional is getting us nowhere! What I want to know is what happened out there today? Why is that thing still alive? My instructions were simple. You were the one in the middle of everything. What went
Só
wrong?
vamos ter que falhou.
The bomb just wasn't strong enough. I mean, it ripped the Witherstorm apart, but it didn't make a dent in the command block.
So the command block is still out there?
Of course it is.
Oh, great. Now, to make matters worse, we've gone from 1 Witherstorm to 3! Our plan was a total failure! I should have cast the foul thing into the abyss.
Soren, why didn't it break? The Formidabomb was like the strongest weapon imaginable.
Oh, why are you asking me? Nobody's ever built one until now. I need a moment to think.
Is he always like this?
You have no idea.
That jacket. I recognize it.
Lucas always wears that jacket.
No. There were other people wearing that very same jacket when I was thrown from the monster.
Just put it out of your mind.
Jesse, if what Gabriel said is true, I mean, do you think? I thought for sure they were gone, but
Lucas, your friends could still be out there.
I know, and that means I gotta go after them. They might need me, Jesse.
Whoa. Suddenly feel really dizzy.
Easy, easy. I got you.
Vá com o Gabriel.
Not gonna lie, but we've dealt with worse, right?
Have we?
How's it going?
Tell me, Jesse, who is this person? She keeps insulting me.
Soltando. Ela é legado, lembra da ordem, mas ela é Leagard.
I'm being made fun of.
Eleagard.
That right there is Eligard.
Eligard.
Ellie to you.
Elegard. And how do I know her exactly? I sense we have a history, but I feel I need a little.
O Ender Dragon junto com o Batista.
Defeated the Ender Dragon together, the most fearsome creature this land has ever seen. Really? You're kind of a big deal.
It isn't working. He doesn't remember anything.
Opa, sem querer.
Talk to him about your past, something only you would know about.
Like what? We haven't seen each other for so long.
Fala sobre o Magno.
Talk a little about Magnus.
Magnus. Yes. He was something else. Annoying, sure. But funny. And strange. Heck, he was probably the only person in the Order who'd still have been awesome even without the...
Without the what?
Never mind. Point is, you liked him. We all did.
Been a big helping her. I need to repay your kindness. I'm not sure how exactly, but I want to express my gratitude.
No problem. I'd have done it for anyone.
All the same, have my thanks. Now then, tell me more about this Magnus.
Oh, I'm not even sure where to
Começa
start.
pelo começo. Como eu sempre falo, é sempre bom mexer em baú.
Some leftover cobblestone might come in handy. Lucas, what are you doing?
I told you, I'm going after my friends. I thought the other ocelots were dead, but if they're not, I need to go find them. Look, I am grateful to you guys for bringing me this far.
You're right, they do need you. The best way to help them is to help us beat that monster.
That sounds right, but it just doesn't feel right, Jesse.
Lucas,
Look, you and me, we've made a pretty good team so far. You can call us friends, so I hope you'll understand why I need to go help my old friends. They do it for me.
but we are helping them. Saving the world saves them too.
Isn't that just kind of abstract?
No, the number one thing you can do for them is to make sure we defeat those wither storms.
I guess you got a point. Okay, I'll stay. I just really hope they're all right.
Thanks. Patrick, how are you doing? Feeling any better?
Better is relative. I just sit here and move. Almost simple.
Man, if it wasn't for Ivor, she wouldn't even be like this.
No kidding. That's not exactly true. Ivor built the Wither, sure, but he couldn't have done it without that skull I gave him. If I'd just taken a second to think about it,
This isn't your fault. It's Ivor's. Who wouldn't do something stupid for a diamond?
but without my help, Ivor wouldn't have...
Wouldn't have wanted revenge on Gabriel? Believe me, he would have found another way.
Still, I'm gonna do everything I can. Petra, I know this isn't easy to hear. You're too sick to be going anywhere. I'm not that sick.
Maybe you should rest in this cave for a while. I mean, it's safe, defensible.
If I say I'm fine, then I'm fine.
Você não está bem, você precisa descansar.
I'm afraid you're
Eu
not.
tô médico.
You staying here is the right move. You'll never get better if we keep pushing you.
But I want to be there for you guys.
I know you do, and you will.
Maybe you're right. It's the right call, Jesse.
I hope so.